Well, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be telling you about HTML and I will be starting an HTML course. So, let's see what do we mean by HTML. So, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext means some kind of text. We'll see what does this mean in the later video. Then there is markup. Markup here means just something that can be used to mark text. So, HTML is a markup language. So, it is similar to a programming language, but there are some differences. Its syntax is quite different from any other programming language. HTML is very easy to learn and you can use it for building web pages, specifically the content and structure of a web page. So, now before starting to learn HTML, we need to know how does the web work. So let's say there is a server and there is another client. Now server is the person, that is the machine where the HTML and some other files are stored, and the client is the person who or the machine which is requesting that website. So there is some file stored on the server, and one of them is the HTML file, which is defining the content and structure of the web page. So let's say you enter google.com on your web browser. Then the server of google.com will return some files in return. And one of the files will be an HTML file. And that HTML file will be rendered by our browser. Now, what does this mean? This means that in actual, the HTML file is just a code. But whenever you open a website, you don't see any code. You actually see some structure, some content, and some styling, and some amazing stuff. Now, actually what happens is that when the HTML file is received by the web browser, it converts that HTML file into some viewable content that can be viewed, and then you view a website. Now, let us see. We have talked about how the web works. Now, we will start learning HTML from the next video, and we will install different stuff and see how we can have different types of things in our web pages and make them beautiful as well. Till then, thank you and Jai Hind.